Have you registered and started delivering supports and services to people with disability as a National Disability Insurance Scheme or NDIS provider? You have? Well, it's time for you to get paid for your work. This overview shows you how to use Section 6 of the Provider Toolkit to process payment requests so you can get paid for your work. To get to this stage, you must already be across the NDIS pricing and payment guidelines. But if you want a refresher, they can be found at Section 2.8 of the Provider Toolkit. It's important to remember that participants who self-manage their NDIS plans will pay you directly and you'll then give them a receipt. For other participants, those who are National Disability Insurance Agency or NDIA managed or have a plan management provider, you'll need to make a payment request through the myplace provider portal. You can only put in this payment request after you've delivered the support or service. If you've submitted a payment request online, you don't need to submit a physical invoice or receipt. When you log into myplace to make a payment request, you'll need to have the following information handy: participant name, participant reference number, the dates you provided the support, support item reference number, support item price. You can also upload a bulk payment request, which allows you to submit all your payment requests for a participant at once and be paid a lump sum. Your payment requests should be paid by the NDIS within 2 business days of submitting them. For more details about how to process payment requests and bulk payment requests, check out the Using myplace Provider Portal Step-by-Step Guide and the Bulk Payment Request Instructions Step-by-Step Guide. There's even a short video on bulk payments. Remember that you can refer to the key resources and help and support sections for more information at any time. Wherever you are in the provider pathway, we hope this toolkit helps you understand the NDIS better and what you have to do to make it a success.